This is our motorhome we call Raw. It's a Sunrader, and it's been on jacks for weeks because I put a new radio and I ran the wires underneath, which also go to the backup camera, which is showing us that we're there. Also, that is showing us that we're very close to whatever's behind us. And I'm glad I just remembered this. I've got a block underneath the front wheel, so you can turn it off for a minute. So, new radio is touchscreen, so I can touch it to CD, Bluetooth, attachments, or I can do camera view. Is that camera view right there? See what's behind us. And this will be the first time we're going to see what's behind us while driving. Looks like I should adjust the angle up quite a bit. It's aimed down too far. At least that would prevent us from backing into something, huh? We're just going to go around the block.
Do you need tools to adjust it?
Nope. I can stop right here and adjust it.
Okay.
Under the shade of this tree. famous words I regretted. So what's rattling so much back there? It does rattle a lot, but there's tools inside it. Alright, so I adjusted it up as much as the little metal bracket would go without taking it off and bending it with pliers or putting a shim under it. I'd like to get a good view of what's behind us all the time when we're on the highway.
This will be the first time backing in ages.
We got to go between a couple of posts and everything. So there's a lot to worry about in this backing up. The beeper's working with your car there, huh? And I haven't adjusted those sensors yet. I will be adjusting those sensors.
That's pretty great.
Yeah. Okay, I can see the other beam or post.
I can see it in the... What do you know?
We parked right over the rack that we can use at the square receiver if we want. Yay. They're adjustable, so I'm going to experiment with how close they are to catching the sides as well. I had to drive it away from the house though, because it certainly lets